I'm Brittany with WTI, and nowadays anyone can learn to be a good filmmaker, and this FUNSNAP gimbal has really helped me to up my filming game. What is so nice about a gimbal is that it allows you to move around your subject or capture the scene that you're trying to get without having the shakiness. I love how it will just follow the path of the handle that you are holding. It does such a great job. You can press the trigger down, which allows the gimbal to realize that it wants to stay facing where you have it already situated. And the F mode keeps it stable, whether in horizontal or vertical mode, but the FVP mode allows you to turn it and the head is actually going to move along. So you can kind of maybe have a little bit more shots if you are trying to follow someone and just make it a little bit more exciting with the camera movement. It has a zoom control knob on the side. It allows you to do what's called a Hitchcock effect. It also has an Inception effect, and that's where the camera allows you to spin. It has a lot of other great features as far as face tracking. Camera is actually going to follow that person as they move. You can also select an object. What I really appreciated about this company is that it has a YouTube channel for FUNSNAP that allows you to look up any question you have on how to use a feature on your gimbal. I am really excited about this. I haven't been able to use all the features with it, but already I'm blown away at the quality that I can get when I am using this. It makes such a big difference, and I think you're going to love it. And that's my point of view.